Hello guys, welcome to Data Speak, listening to your data. So today we'll be talking about the data structure used in pivot table 102. So if today happens to be your first time in our channel, please, I'd like you to click and subscribe. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the matter of the day. Now, this is a good data structure. So this is how your data need to look like if you want to use pivot table to analyze it. Now, by the side, you have the assumption, because every tool has an assumption. Every tool has an assumption. So pivot table is not an exemption about it. It's not exempted from it. So your data, if you want to make use of pivot table tools to analyze your data, these are the things you need to know. You need to see. Now, the data need to be one in rectangular. Variables as columns, observation as row. No extra formatting. If you look at the data, it's clean, there's no extra formatting. Contains only dimension and measures. So what does it mean by that? If you check here now, so when we talk about measures, we talk about figures, numbers. When we talk about dimension, we talk about alphabet, like for example, we have segments, country, product, discount. Those are called dimension. Now, your data need to have a clear column headers. Like if you see our owner, we have a look, the headers are clear. No extra headers, footers, subtotal, or calculated fields. No empty cells. The last not the least, the data must be clean. I need to emphasize on this. Your data must be clean. In order for you to have a good result, your data must be clean. So this happens to be one of the setback about pivot table tools, that you cannot do data cleansing in pivot table. So I would advise you, if you have a messy data, first of all, do the data cleaning in Power Query. And once you're done, now you can now bring it to pivot table. Pivot table simply means to do what? Just to analyze your data. They don't have the option of doing data cleansing. So let me show you an example of a bad data. Now, an example of a bad data, there is transpose variables as rows, observation as columns. Unnecessary formatting. If you see here, we have the formatting, the sales data is being formatted, the column is being formatted with a different color. Contain calculated fields. When you look below, you find that we already did the calculation, total. Confusing column headers, names. The columns names here doesn't make any meaning. We have column 1, column 2, column 3. So whenever you see a data like this and you want to use pivot table, I can't advise to use that is for you to first of all clean the data, make it to be in a proper shape before you can able to use pivot table. No extra headers rows. No extra headers rows. So this is an example of a bad data structure if you really want to use pivot table to analyze your data. So whenever you see these things, you know that this data is not good for you to use pivot table. So the first thing you need to do first is to try and go and clean your data, put it in a well structure. Put it in a good data structure that is in rectangular, no extra formatting, contain only dimensions and measures, clear column headers, no extra headers or footer, no empty cells, and the data must be clean. Your data must be clean. I need to emphasize on that. Your data must be clean if you want to use pivot table, or else you will have a misleading result or an error. So guys, this is what we have for you guys today. So if today happens to be your first time in the channel, please, I will advise you to watch the pivot table 101. They will be able to explain what pivot table is all about. It is good for you before you use the tools. It's good for you to know the context about the tools before you go on and begin to use the tools. So thank you for your time.